Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I finally got around to finishing my extraction system for my lasers and my printers and stuff. Now it uses one fan, one system, one entire system. It connects to the back of my F2 Ultra, my F2 Ultra UV, through two hoses, to a Y with blast gates on either side, like that. Up a hose with some hangers I printed across. My camera is dirty. Look at that. Should remember to clean that. To another wastegate or blast gate right there. So I open this up. I go back to the other side. I open one of those up, and then I come over here and I turn on the blower, which is right there. And that's about as loud as it gets right there. It goes out the house. So another Y is right over here. Blast gates. So right now it's being not pulling anything out. So I pull out this one here, follow that line over to here, follow that line over to here, open this one up, and there we go. Works great. And not only that, but it also vents my H2 printers. So this one has the laser module for it. It's ventilated to the back. I just open that wastegate, close that wastegate, and I can use laser on that one. Or this one also has laser. And same thing, the wastegate is over there. And that's the entire system. So I forgot to mention this one. That's the big one. That's what I originally started with. So I started with this going to that and then out the wall and modified it. I made this ring to adapt to the laser so that this wastegate plugs in. Then I use this flexible hose, which is lined with aluminum. You can see here, these are the hoses. It's lined with aluminum, multi-layer. And I made this, as you can see. It's got a sleeve. It connects into this, and then the glass gates, and then the hoses and clamps, and out the wall. So if you're ever looking for a ventilation system for your printers to get rid of fumes, or if you have the laser attachments, this is a good way of doing it. It's not that expensive. I think the motor cost me, the fan motor was like $150, I think. And that was the most expensive part. And I think for everything else that I bought for this was around 200. So for what what this thing cost, for what this one thing cost, I put this entire system in. So that thing cost me $416. I adapted it to work with the F2s. So I made this to hook two hoses up, and I made this adapter to fit the hoses for the F2s. But this is from just doing two brass coins. As you can see, it filled up fast, and then when this stops pulling, the dust gets throughout the shop, and there is brass dust everywhere from it. So that's when maybe decide to just do what I did here with this system. And I engraved a couple coins yesterday, and there's no dust. None whatsoever. You can't smell the dust. When I was doing these before, you could smell the dust. These are my latest coins that I did yesterday. That's a B17. That's a B29. And here's a B25. I have a couple more I'm going to do, but now I don't have to worry about getting this dust into my machines or anything else. So leave a comment, like, subscribe, and if you have questions on what I put in here, I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you have any thoughts on it, go ahead and leave a comment. So you guys have yourself a good day. And yes, this is unscripted. I am just right off the top of my head doing this stuff. So have a good day. Thanks.